Welcome to Biotech Career 360. Mentioned top 10 diseases are the fatal diseases because it has no cure and people have to manage the disease. So let us talk about the top 10 deadliest diseases in this presentation. In all types of cancer, some of the body's cells begin to divide without stopping and spread into surrounding tissues. Cancer can start almost anywhere in the human body, which is made up of trillions of cells. Normally, human cells grow and divide to form new cells as the body needs them. When cells grow old or become damaged, they die and the new cells takes their place. When cancer develops, however, this orderly process breaks down. As cells become more and more abnormal, old or damaged cells survive when they should die, and new cells from when they are not needed. These extra cells can divide without stopping and may form growth called tumors. Each person's cancer has a unique combination of genetic changes. As the cancer continues to grow, additional changes will occur. Even with the same tumor, different cells may have different genetic changes. There are more than 100 types of cancer. Types of cancer are usually named for the organ or tissue when the cancer forms. For example, lung cancer starts in the cells of the lung, and brain cancer starts in the cells of the brain. When you are diagnosed with cancer, your doctor will tell you what stage it is. That will describe the size of the cancer and how far it spreads. Cancer is typically labeled in stage from 1 to 4, with 4 being the most serious. Stage 0 means there is no cancer, only abnormal cells with the potential to become cancer. This is also called carcinoma in situ. Stage 1 means the cancer is small and only in one area. This is also called early stage cancer. Stage 2 and 3 means the cancer is larger and has grown into nearby tissues or lymph nodes. Stage 4 means the cancer has spread to the other parts of your body. It is also called advanced or metastatic cancer. Cancer is the second leading cause of death globally and is responsible for an estimated 9.6 million deaths in 2018. Globally, about 1 in 6 deaths is due to cancer. The second deadliest disease is AIDS. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, also called as AIDS, is a chronic, potentially life-threatening condition caused by the human immunodeficiency virus called as HIV. By damaging your immune system, HIV interferes with your body's ability to fight infection and diseases. HIV is a sexually transmitted infection. It can also be spread by contact with infected blood or from mother to child during pregnancy. Childbirth or breastfeeding without medication, it may take years before HIV weakens your immune system to the point that you have AIDS. There is no cure for HIV or AIDS, but medications can dramatically slow the progression of the disease. As of 2018, approximately 37.9 million people are infected with HIV globally. There were about 7,70,000 deaths from AIDS in 2018. Jaundice is a condition in which the skin, sclera, that is whites of the eyes, and mucous membrane turn yellow. This yellow color is caused by high levels of bilirubin, a yellow-orange bile pigment. Bile is fluid secreted by the liver. Bilirubin is formed from the breakdown of red blood cells. Underlying conditions that may cause jaundice include acute inflammation of the liver. This may impair the ability of the liver to conjugate and secrete bilirubin, resulting in a buildup. Inflammation of the bile duct. This can prevent the secretion of bile and removal of bilirubin, causing jaundice. Obstruction of the bile duct. This prevents the liver from disposing of bilirubin. Hemolytic anemia. The production of bilirubin increases when large quantities of red blood cells are broken down. Gilbert syndrome. This is an inherited condition that impairs the ability of enzyme to process the excretion of bile. Or cholestasis. This interrupts the flow of bile from the liver. The biles containing conjugated bilirubin remains in the liver instead of being excreted. Treatment will depend on the underlying cause. Jaundice treatment targets the cause rather than the jaundice symptom. The following treatments are used. Anemia induced jaundice may be treated by boosting the amount of iron in the blood by either taking iron supplements or eating more iron rich foods. Iron supplements are available for purchase online. Hepatitis induced jaundice requires antiviral or steroid medications. Doctors can treat obstruction induced jaundice by surgically removing the obstruction. If the jaundice has been caused by use of medication, treatment for involves changing to an alternative medication. Cardiovascular diseases are the number one cause of death globally. More people die annually from cardiovascular diseases than from any other cause. Cardiovascular diseases are a group of disorders of the heart and blood vessels, and they include coronary heart disease, disease of the blood vessel supplying the heart muscle, cerebrovascular disease, disease of the blood vessel supplying the brain, peripheral arterial disease, disease of blood vessels supplying the arms and legs, rheumatic heart disease, damage to the heart muscle and heart valves from rheumatic fever caused by streptococcal bacteria, congenital heart disease, malformation of heart structure existing at birth, deep vein thrombosis and pulmonary embolism, blood clots in the leg veins which can dislodge and move to the hearts and lungs. For secondary prevention of cardiovascular diseases in those with established disease including diabetes, treatment with the following medications are necessary. That is aspirin, beta blockers, angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors, that is ACE inhibitors, statins. In addition, costly surgical operations are sometimes required to treat cardiovascular disease. They include coronary artery bypass or balloon angioplasty or valve repair replacement or heart transplantation or artificial. A genetic disorder is a disease caused in whole or in part of by a change in the DNA sequence away from the normal sequence. Genetic disorder can be caused by a mutation in one gene, monogenic disorder, by a mutation in multiple genes, multifactorial inheritance disorder, by a combination of gene mutations and environmental factors, or by damage to chromosome, changes in the number of or structure of entire chromosomes or the structure that carry genes. There are well over 6,000 known genetic disorders, and new genetic disorders are constantly being described in medical literature. More than 600 of these disorders are treatable. For a group of genetic conditions called inborn error of metabolism, which results from genetic changes that disrupts the production of specific enzymes, treatments sometimes include dietary changes or replacement of the particular enzyme that is missing. Limiting certain substances in the diet can help prevent buildup of potentially toxic substances that are normally broken down by the enzyme. In some cases, enzyme replacement therapy can help compensate for the enzyme shortage. These treatments are used to manage existing signs and symptoms and may help prevent future complications. For other genetic conditions, treatment and management strategies are designed to improve particular signs and symptoms associated with the disorder. Most treatment strategies for genetic disorders do not alter the underlying genetic mutation. However, a few disorders have been treated with gene therapy. There are three major diabetes types can develop, that is type 1, type 2 and gestational diabetes. In type 1 diabetes, also known as juvenile diabetes, this type occurs when the body fails to produce insulin. People with type 1 diabetes are insulin independent, which means they must take artificial insulin daily to stay alive. In type 2 diabetes, it affects the way the body uses insulin. While the body still makes the insulin, unlike the type 1, the cells in the body do not respond to it as effectively as the ones did. This is the most common types of diabetes according to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, and it has strong links with obesity. Gestational diabetes. This type occurs when women during pregnancy when the body can become less sensitive to insulin. Gestational diabetes does not occur in all women and usually resolves after giving birth. People with type 1 diabetes and some people with type 2 diabetes may need to inject or inhale insulin to keep their blood sugar levels from becoming too high. The fact that excess mortality due to diabetes was highest in the age group of 51 to 70 years is possibly a reflection of the early age of onset of type 2 diabetes in Indians. Lower respiratory tract infections are any infections in the lungs or below the voice box. This include pneumonia, bronchitis, and tuberculosis. Infection in the lower respiratory tract are primarily the result of viruses, as with the flu or respiratory syncytial virus, bacteria such as Streptococcus or Staphylococcus aureus, fungal infection, mycoplasma, which are neither virus or bacteria but are small organisms with characteristics of both bacteria and virus. A doctor may prescribe additional treatment. This may include antibiotics for bacterial infection or breathing treatments such as inhaler. In some cases, a person may need to visit the hospital to receive IV fluids, antibiotics, or breathing supports. Very young children and infants may need more treatment than older children or healthy adults. It is estimated that lower respiratory tract infection causes nearly 4 million deaths annually and is a leading cause of death among children under 5 years. Neurodegenerative diseases are incurable and debilitating conditions that result in progressive degeneration and death of nerve cells. These cause problems with movement called ataxias or mental functioning called dementias. Degenerative nerve diseases affect many of our body activities such as balance, movement, talking, breathing, and heart function. Many of these diseases are genetic. Sometimes the cause is a medical condition such as alcoholism, a tumor, or a stroke. Other causes may include toxins, chemicals, and viruses. Degenerative nerve diseases can be serious or life threatening. It depends on the type. Most of them are no cure. Treatments may help improve symptoms, relieve pain, and increase mobility. An autoimmune disease is a condition in which your immune system mistakenly attacks your body. There are more than 80 different autoimmune diseases. An autoimmune disorder may affect one or more organs or tissue types. Areas often affected by autoimmune disease include blood vessels, connective tissues, endocrine glands such as thyroid or pancreas, joints, muscles, red blood cells, skin. Tuberculosis is a lung infection caused by bacteria called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It's a treatable airborne bacterium, although some strains are resistant to conventional treatments. TB is one of the top causes of death in people who have HIV. About 35% tested source of HIV related deaths are due to TB. Risk factors for tuberculosis include diabetes, HIV infection, a lower body weight, proximity to others with TB. Regular use of certain medications like corticosteroids or drugs that suppress the immune system. The best prevention against TB is to get the Bacillus Calmette-Guerin BCG vaccine. This is commonly given to children. If you think you have been exposed to TB bacteria, you can start taking a treatment medication called chemoprophylaxis to reduce the likelihood of developing the condition. According to the World Health Organization, it is one of the top 10 cause of the death worldwide, killing 1.7 million people in 2016. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.